Hey y'all, just a little bit of dressing up on this old bed. Got the tailgate. Put some of these acorn nuts, tick them on, just to dress her up a little bit. I think it turned out pretty cool. So thought y'all would like to see it. So this old girl is about to come together. We're getting closer and closer every day. So I got some things got to do underneath for the ball. I'm gonna do a bell crank, so you can unlatch it from the back. So I'll show you how we do that whenever I get to it. Y'all have a good one.